You can act proactively or reactively. Proactive, you try to prevent something from happening. Reactive, you are reacting to a situation once it happens. And the same holds true in quality. You have quality control, which is the attempt to try and prevent issues or events from happening. Or you can have quality assurance, which is trying to detect issues or rejects after they occur. As with many organizations, we do have some programs in place for reactive quality, so final QA inspection, things like that. But more importantly is we've implemented a series of programs that are quality control, which is proactive. Some of those programs would be our robust and effective training programs. So we bring operators in, employees, and we train them on the importance of being engaged in your work. We teach them to help identify when issues are starting to present themselves so we can address them before they create larger problems. Along with that, we also have very thorough and effective process validation approaches and programs. And what that does is it helps us create a design space that a process can run in. And then we establish a processing window with parameters. And through those validation and qualification activities, we define the process window and then we challenge it to verify that we can still meet all quality requirements, whether they're workmanship or dimensional. And then also show that the process has capability to maintain passing requirements all throughout that processing window. So those are two quality control programs that we have in place to try and prevent issues from happening in the first place.